G'day and welcome to an Aussie Traveller video. I'm Heath and today I'm going to show you through how quick and easy it is to set up your Sunburst Eclipse awning. So first things first, make sure you grab this tool. Very vital, looks very simple, very handy in the setup process. First things first, I'm going to go around and release all the locking mechanisms from the arms of the awning that hold it in place for when you're travelling. So it's quite simple, they're just hidden behind here. I also will undo the sliding locking mechanism for the arm, which you'll see that shortly. Now once you've released those sliding arms, release the locking mechanism, you can come around here. This is where the tool comes into play. There is a little release mechanism here which is used for rolling the awning in and out. You want to release that, so you pull that down. Use the tool again. Grab your material in the middle of the awning and then you can start to pull it down until you can reach it. This is where you can get rid of that now. Pull this down nice and firmly until you get down to a point where you can actually see that your flap, which helps to stop the water from running down and back in underneath the awning, comes out from here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to jump inside. I'm going to slide this down first actually, just down to the end so it doesn't annoy me, and I'll show you what I do with that afterwards. Now from here, these were the sliding arms that I was talking about. I'm going to slide them up into place. There's a little push button inside there that you make sure that you get that locked in. That locks that sliding arm in, keeping this still released. You don't want to lock that up just yet. I'm going to jump down, I'm going to do the other one now. There we go. Okay, so that's all nice, locked into place. The arms are still released, so that way then when I pull the big guys up, slide them up into place so it's at a good height, this will move freely until it's in the position that I want. So now, excuse me, I'll be hidden by the awning, but first things first, I'm going to slide this guy up bit by bit. I never want to overdo it. You don't want to put pressure on the mechanisms within the awning itself. So I always do it in a bit of a stage. Make sure that's in place. Come back to the first one. All right, now at this stage, you can slide this strap all the way out of the sail track if you like. I like to just throw it around the arm here so it's wrapped up and out of the way. And now what you're going to do is with these arms, you lock them in to place, which helps to give you your tension in your awning itself. Always handy to have a bit of a caravan step around. If you can't reach, I'm lucky enough I can reach these out. Lock them into play. And there you go. That is your Sunburst Eclipse awning from Aussie Traveller. All set up, ready to rock and roll. All we need to do now is pull out the chairs, sit down and have a beer.